Okay, hi there. Here's day 2 for distance learning for a math class. And again, I'm in this week 1 folder. And I like to always start out by looking at the suggested schedule to see what we should be doing today. So again, we're learning about scatter plots this week. So there's our topic. And we're looking for patterns and outliers. Today we're going to be exploring a Desmos on robots, and a reminder down here to continue working on your Alex. So we're looking for our robot Desmos. Depending on what class period you're in, it will show up for you either 6th, 7th, or 8th period. So select the robot Desmos link. And your class code will be here, and you'll select the join button. Also, I would open this in Safari so it's bigger and your screen's not cropped. Now, I'm not for sure how this is going to look. You could sign in with Google if you want to try that. Or if you continue without signing in, just make sure you type your name in so we can record your results. So you could try signing in with Google first and see what happens. If not, you can continue without signing in. But please, please, please put your first and last name in there so we can record it, give you credit for doing the assignment. So I just pulled up a few screens that you'll see so you're not worried or confused. How cute are these robots? So one of these, this is screen number 3 that you'll do. You'll progress at your own pace. Keep hitting next as you go through. But it says move the points on the graph to represent each robot. So this is the eye distance and the height of the robot. So you're going to, it's like this orange was right here. So I just slid it into position because I could see the orange guys there. So the short robot, the purple one, so you would select this purple dot and drag it down to here. So you're just going to match and drag for this screen. So I just thought I'd show you that. And I wanted to show you screen number 5. The graph shows the height and eye distances for 8 robots. Move the red point. So we're going to move the red point to make the statement true. The red robot is taller than all of the blue robots, and its eye distance is 5 inches. So you have to think it's really tall. It's taller, so its height is bigger than all the blue robots, and its eye distance is 5 inches. So its eye distance is going to be here, and it's going to be taller than all the blue robots. So you could say that this robot would be anywhere about right there. It could even be taller than that. So I wanted to show you that screen as well. The rest you should be able to navigate through and take your time, make sure you complete them all. And there's not really any right or wrong. You're just exploring at this point what a scatter plot is. Okay, and don't forget to log into your Alex and make sure you do the assignment and the 5 topics. And that'll give you your credit for that. That is going in the gradebook. Reach out to me if you need help with topics or the assignment. And here's a little action shot of my fish, Alan. He's so shiny. I feed him beta food, even though he's a goldfish, just because that's all I had. Okay, so tomorrow we'll look at a Nearpod and some practice links.